This particular skill made me thousands of dollars and millions of naira after I finished NYSC in 2018. All right. Now, what skill am I talking about? I'm talking about the skill of designing simple web pages. That is sales pages, landing pages, sales funnels, as the case may be. This is one example. This example here, the client paid me over 230,000 naira. Now, guess what? This singular client alone has paid me over 800,000 naira in the last 60 days alone. As you can see, proof on your screen. And in the last 60 days alone, I've made over 2 million naira with just designing simple web pages. Now, guess what? I've created a free video that will show you my 3 simple step process to making thousands of dollars and millions of naira from designing simple web pages and sales funnels online. All you have to do to get that video is to click the link below and watch that video for free. After you are done watching the video, you can decide if my mentorship and course is the right fit for you. If it's not the right fit for you, you can continue scrolling on social media. Now, let me tell you, when I finished NYSC in 2018, I didn't know what else to do. But luckily, before then, I had already been learning how to design sales funnels. I had been designing sales funnels and doing it like little by little. But after I finished NYSC, I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to make money for myself. But guess what? I used that skill to change my life. And back then in 2018, in less than 70 days, that skill made me over $5,000. As at 2018, that amount was about 1 point something million naira back then, based on the dollar to naira rate. Okay, so this is a very high paying skill, guys. If you are just finishing NYSC or you are looking to go and serve, then I advise and recommend you learn the skill of designing simple web pages, sales funnels, landing pages, and even websites, as the case may be. So click the link below to watch my video that reveals my 3 simple step process to designing brilliant and high converting sales funnels and making millions of naira from it. I can't wait to see you on the inside. I can't wait to help you transform your life. I can't wait to help you make money online. So see you on the inside, and peace out. Boom.